All right, so this is coming from ASUS, rather large box. I think I kind of know what this is considering there's a Intel processor launch, but let's go ahead and unbox it and see what's inside. All right, so package within the package. So the processor is here. That's the Intel Core Ultra 9 Series 2. That's the new one. All right, what else is in here? Holy.
Yeah, 1 second.
There we go. Okay, got it. This is a nice looking big box. For those who dare, this should hopefully. All right, so what do we have over here? Well, let me just rotate this to make it easier. That is the new motherboard. That is the ROG Maximus Z890 Hero. So one of the top of the line motherboards for the Intel Core Ultra Series 2 processors. As you can see some specs over here, DDR5, PCI 5, Wi-Fi 7, the works. I think this is about as good as it gets if you want to build a new system. There we go. Let's see what else is there. All in one cooler. This is the ROG Ryujin 360 ARGB Extreme. What's cool about it is that there's a screen on the CPU block, which is kind of cool, an LED screen. So it'd be fun building this. What does it say? EMMA Gen 8 V2 pump, Daisy chainable fans, VRM fans, and a 3.5-inch LCD display. We have another box here. Let's go ahead and open this. Kingston Fury. There's RAM here as well. Okay, let's go ahead and open that. That's DDR5. Doesn't say the speed on this, but I'm sure it's pretty fast. And there's something else as well, which is thermal paste. So yeah, nice little thermal paste for installing that AIO on there. And then we've got some cable tires and lanyards. That's pretty much about it. But yeah, pretty impressive build. Can't wait to test this out. Let us know if you have any questions and feel free to subscribe.